Hey folks, Billy from CryptoCanada here. I just got this in the mail a few weeks ago. One of our members reached out and said he's starting a new company, a fellow Canadian out of Ontario, and his company is called SeedDefender. And what this is it's a cold storage solution to protect your seed phrase, which we all know is extremely important to get into our wallets. I can tell by the weight of the box that whatever's in here is super high quality. So it comes with the seed place. This is the quote unquote starter kit available on their website. And this is about 129 bucks. However, he's been gracious enough to offer our members only a $35 off coupon. So the coupon is CryptoCan if you're going to purchase it from the website. So that'll save you 35 bucks. So be about 95 bucks for the whole kit. I haven't cracked this open yet, but let's do it together. First thing first, this box is really well built. Looks like there's a security sticker here to make sure it hasn't been cracked open. So I'm just going to peel that off. Just going to turn this a little bit. All right, let's crack this open. First thing first, 12 tips for crypto security. Looks like some good tips to live by. Once again, the box is super high quality. Like everything here just feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's made in China, even though it probably is. There is good stuff that comes out of China as well. Premium stainless steel, crypto cold wallet. Engravers sold separately. So it looks like you can write on it with Sharpie or engrave it. But let's crack this open and see what's inside. Packaging is so good I can't even get into it. Oh wow, okay. So it's a really nice metal plate. It's extremely heavy, so it's very well built. Looks like there's a couple Allen keys in here. So we'll crank this off and see what's inside. Pretty impressed so far. Everything feels really good. Doesn't feel cheap at all. I'd say you definitely be getting your $100 worth. All right, let's see what's inside this bad boy. Just gonna dump those in there. Crack this open. Awesome. So we've got the SeedDefender Protect Your Crypto stainless steel plate to put your seed phrase on. It'll hold up to 24 words by the looks of it. There's some protective film on here. And then there's some instructions on this side. I'm not sure if you can see that, but let's give you a look at that. Once again, super high quality. Feels great. It would definitely hurt if you flung it at somebody. I'm going to put that back in there and see what else we have in the starter kit. Looks like there's a lockbox here. So obviously this is going to hold the SeedDefender. What's it called? Let's see. Show you the back here. Heavy duty steel lockbox. It is very heavy duty. It's super heavy. I don't know what the combination is. I haven't got that far yet, but let's see if we can open it. Oh wow. Oh wow, so the starter kit actually does come with everything you need, including that engraver and this heavy duty metal cable. I haven't figured this out yet, but perhaps I'll do another video once I do my engraving. But again, this is super high quality and such a rad kit to have. There are other solutions like this out in the market, but obviously this guy's a Canadian, so we want to support him. Again, there is a coupon code on the website exclusively for CryptoCanada members. It's CryptoCan. So pop that in there and support Canadian. This is a great product. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to listen to them. But I'm also happy to put you in touch with the SeedDefender company owner if you have questions that I can answer. All the best, guys. I hope everybody has a great weekend.